Hoot hoot! Wise and true. I've got wonders to share with you. Phew. It's getting hot these days, even for a fluffy owl like me. But why is our planet heating up? Let's flap into the skies and find out. Our Earth has a warm blanket around it called the atmosphere. It keeps us cozy, just like a comfy scarf on a chilly night. But lately that blanket's getting too thick, and that's causing something called global warming. Here's what's happening. The sun sends light and warmth to Earth. Normally, some of that heat goes back into space, but now gases like carbon dioxide and methane are trapping more heat than before. It's like Earth's wearing too many blankets. These gases come from cars, factories, cutting down trees, and burning fuels like coal and oil. All that extra gas builds up in the atmosphere, and that's what we call the greenhouse effect. Because of this, the planet is warming up. Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, animals are losing their homes, and some places are getting really hot or super stormy. Now the question is, how do we fix it? We can plant trees, save energy, use bicycles, and reduce waste. Even switching off lights when we leave a room makes a difference. Together, we can keep our beautiful Earth healthy and happy. Remember, this is our only home in the whole wide universe, so let's treat it with love. Hoot hoot, wise and true. Now you know what you can do. Stay cool, stay kind, and I'll see you next time for more wonders of our world. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.